Xingtai 3D Puzzle Printing Series is taking you into the early learning paradise. Intelligent 3D pen gun with exquisite design and fun shape. Now, let's start the magic journey of creation with the 3D pen gun. First, put the black cartridge into the gun pen and press the switch. Now, let's paint it on the drawing board. Wow, here comes the lovely pattern. Keep painting each pattern carefully, featuring the heating device inside the pan. It can release heat and make shape of 3D pattern when you are painting. Made of environment-friendly material, this educational pen is totally safe for children during playing and learning. Xingtai 3D Puzzle